In today's video, I will show you how sleep helps your body become active and healthier, and provide 6 benefits of having a good sleep. Sleep is one of the most essential bodily functions that provides various benefits. During sleep, your body performs restorative tasks that heals and regenerates your cells. Having enough time of uninterrupted sleep is beneficial for the body to fight off diseases and revitalization of your energy. Not enough sleep isn't something you can take lightly. Studies show that getting quality sleep on a regular basis can help improve all sorts of issues, from your blood sugar to your daily activities. So now, I will discuss to you the 6 benefits of having a good sleep that will help our body become active and healthier. Number 1. It helps you fight potential illnesses. Your immune system detects and kills dangerous bacteria and viruses in your body to help you avoid illness. Lack of sleep affects the way your immune cells function. They may not attack as quickly, and you may become ill more often as a result. A good night's sleep will help you stop feeling exhausted and stressed out, as well as wasting days in bed as your body recovers. Number 2. It gives you high energy levels. When you sleep, the body goes through a lot of different cycles. During sleep, for example, the body performs several repair and restoration tasks. Your body needs you to be inactive in order for it to perform its functions without interruption. You must give it enough time to complete these tasks. If you don't, you'll feel jaded and drained the next day. When you sleep on time, on the other hand, you'll feel like your battery has been completely recharged. As a result, you'll have enough energy during the day to complete your tasks. Number 3. It enhances your performance. Another benefit of getting enough sleep is you will perform better in your tasks. Having not enough sleep can greatly affect your daily activities in life, like work or home activities. When you don't get enough sleep, you'll be drained and anxious, which will affect your preparation and results. When you're doing mentally demanding things like writing or data processing, it gets even harder and more noticeable. It's possible that you'll be having difficulty coming up with new ideas, which can be frustrating. If you have a critical interview or presentation coming up, make sure you're well rested so you can perform at your best. Now we move on to number 4. But before that, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I can notify you whenever I have a new video so that you can be the first one to watch it. Going back to the video, I will now discuss the 4th benefit of sleep, and that is, it improves interpersonal relationship. Insufficient sleep can cause you to wake up in a bad mood. All whilst, if you're unhappy, you're not likely to behave well to your friends and family. Some people are emotionally intelligent enough to be able to control their emotions and communicate effectively. When some people are tired, though, it can be difficult to say the right things. Remember that negative reactions can lead to a fracas between you and your loved ones that cannot be restored. So, in order to wake up on the right side of your bed, it's in your best interest to get a good night's sleep. If you find yourself fighting with friends and family more often, you need to relax more and change your sleeping habits. Number 5 is it affects your relationship at work, and this is how. The fact that you are sleeping well will improve your professional relationships as a result of your calmness, emotional intelligence, and optimal success at work. When you're well rested, it'll be easier for you to get along with both your boss and your co-workers. Lastly, it helps you control your weight. Another benefit of sleep is you feel less hungry when you are well rested. Lack of sleep disrupts the appetite-controlling hormones leptin and ghrelin in your brain. When those are out of control at times, the tolerance to the temptation of unhealthy foods plummets. You're less likely to want to get up and shift your body when you're tired. It's a formula for gaining weight when combined. To help you control your weight, the time you spend in bed goes in hand with the time you spend at the table and at the gym. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you have, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions or recommendations, just comment down below. And be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in the next videos.